I want you to hold it over there with your good hand, and I want you to walk out there in that area, okay? I need some more. Hold on. Where are you? Say something so I can hear you. If you're still in here, say something. Is anyone in here? Is anyone in here? If you're still here, say something. Hit on something. Make some noise if you're still here. Please say something if you're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
Right now it's unconfirmed. We don't know yet.
Talk to me as soon as you have numbers and names.
Here, bud.
What's going on? I can't hear you.
Can you call?
What's going on? Come on, let me back here with Jacob. Come on, ma'am. You need to come back with us. Come on. Come on. Come on, you need to come back with us. Stay calm. We'll find out where your son is, okay? It's okay. It's going to be okay.
I can't see. I can't hear.
It's okay. Everything's going to be okay.
Please repeat.
It's okay, ma'am. Your son will be okay, okay? As soon as we find out some information, we'll let you know, okay? Aaron, you're going to be okay, all right?
I can't hear you.
You're going to be okay. They'll be out here in a minute. We need Sandra! Okay, we're gone. We have any more?
We need to get him out of here before it explodes anymore.
I'm sorry. We need a stretcher quickly.
Yeah, we need a stretcher here too.
Jacob, can you hear me? Jacob, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Jacob? Jacob!
We need to move him out here. We need some more transporters.
They're sitting for the stretcher. All right.
Ms. Robertson, how are we coming on those counts?
I need another stretcher.
Major, we just
We have two badly injured. We need a stretcher. We need some assistance.
Keep going. Keep going. Stay close to me and keep your second.
I'm everybody up. You got to put it in the drawer. Ready, Ben? Yeah. Where's he been? Go back this way.
Back up. Stay right behind me.
Don't put nobody. Let's go back, come around this road. Stop, I know, that's something wrong.
Are you bringing those out for Miss Spratling? Okay, her son Jacob is out there. Would you please take her to the football field until we can see what kind of medical assistance? Yes, please.
Hi, darling.
Jacob's not away. My folder.
He's going to be just...
Help me!
Alright. I guess everybody moved over here.
So we need some tags on these kids. He's breathing. Yeah, good.
He's at the intermediate school. Everybody knows what the girl's name?
Sit still. She has a really bad injury on her face and she has some burns on her arms.
Okay. Are you okay? Can you talk to him?
She's
You're fine.
away.
It's okay. We may need that wheelchair for somebody else.
Laura, do you think you could get out of the wheelchair and lay on the ground? Do you think you could? Okay. Yeah, we're going to have to move right in. We think we need this for someone else. Ready? Okay, here. Okay, no, we got you. We got you. Okay.
Now, this is a run. This is a run.
Okay, I got you. Just lay down.
I'm a reporter. Anybody that's ambulatory
Start checking the building for missing students.
Come on, everybody that can walk, go over to that area.
We're going to move you over here. You can get out to walk.
We got 26 right now. I counted 26.
Mr. Major, we have 26
And they just
injured children.
took some right now. They're taking some right now.
We got 200.
Say again, please. I need to know if that's a call for AV students or is it one of our students?
It is one of our students, Mr. Hale.
Okay, I need to contact some law.
Somebody tell us we also have a literally going to
I do not have that information. I'm sure everything is okay, but I do not know. Go to Parkland. Okay, you gonna take her? Okay. Go with her and she'll take you to Parkland and that's where you'll find her. Okay, let me fires out. Smoke. Okay.
You're going to be asked for the working
I'd like you to come over here to this store. Silas is in transport.
Oh no! Oh, this is horrible.
Children's. Do you know where Children's is at? Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank
Okay.
you.
You okay to drive?
I'll be fine, I'll find him.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Help my baby. He's over now, I don't know where to go. How am I gonna... Children, park right there. There's the two buildings.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, okay? Where's the team leader for 3? Where's the team leader for 3? Team 3, district 3. Team 3. Yeah, I got
We can't find Cyrus. Where is it?
Parker.
Are you sure? It's not children's.
No,
No,
we
okay.
notified it is.
You know the right way. Okay, then I'm gonna go to Parker. No, everybody's out of town. No, I don't have anybody here. I'll go find them. No, yes, I know.
Bring to a seat. 2 on the last one, that's it.
My district guys. I'm going to keep Mr. Goodell and Mr. Bannock here. There's no sense in them going over there. The other members are going over there to assist the campus team there.
Yeah, put that in.
Sit down. I'm going to go ahead and lay you back to sit up. Go. It's contaminated now. You gotta sit right there. Your head down.
Mr. Maker, we were going to
Pulse.
Fine.
Janine, do you have the student's name?
No, I do not know that.
Okay.
This is
Needs
Jackie
to be
Walker.
transported. Right. Excuse me.
Laura Smith.
This is Laura Smith.
Sean Wood. Sean Wood.
His name is Justin
Can
Pinnell.
you help him over to that area?
Yes, I will. Come on.
Justin, can you get up? I know it's your eyes. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. Come on.
Take your time.
Keep your eyes covered, but don't rub them. Don't rub your eyes, please. I don't want you to face me. Jacob?
Okay, lay still, please. Please do not move. Mama, please do not move. Okay? Lay as still as possible.
Joseph, are you all right? Can you talk to me? Hey, I need you to lay still. Yeah, have your injuries covered. I need you just to lay still.
We don't know. Okay. Mom, viewers. Did we transport him? On the face. Open that
There's some paramedics right here, okay? All right, you're going to get some help. All right, it's okay. I promise. It's going to be okay. Okay? All right, let's lay you down. Let me see you right over here. Here, lay that. Mr. Major, don't touch your face, okay? Keep your hands just like this. Mr. Major, this is Miss Jones. They are unable to make a count right now. They're making a cannibal of the children. Don't touch your face, though. Making a count from 6. Can y'all come?
Cameron Warren. Lauren Smith.
Well, Janine's having this.
Got a name, put a name on it. If not, that's fine. We can get it later.
Just on
Okay.
anything?
Just around the wrist, preferably around the ankle. Can you do me a favor? Tie that right here around the ankle. You have a name, you can write it down. If you don't, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. How's it going?
That's fine. He's fairly.
Good. Is he awake? Can he talk to you?
No.
Good.
Yeah, bad head injury. He's conscious, but he's in and out. He hadn't said. This one is going where? Where's this one going?
I don't know yet.
That's a good pull.
Open the rear end of the truck. Somebody open the back of the truck. Ready?
Lee, do you know where these two are? Joseph going?
Ben Parker. You got a representative over there that's already got some locations where they're going. Yeah. To the bench.
The bench.
Right down there.
All right, come on.
Go in the stretcher.
Okay? Okay.
Okay, this truck's going to park. Okay.
Stay with me. You're all right. You're all right.
Oh.
This one can't hear or see here. Okay, buddy, don't move, okay?
Let's do this one here. She's got makeup on. Left on. Right on. Birds on her clothes. You're all right, I promise. It's going to be just fine.
Okay, this one has a little specialist dog, and he's not hearing.
And he can't see either.
Okay, he needs to go to children.
Aaron Baker, and this child is has burns and bleeding. I don't think she was unconscious at
Okay.
first.
Yeah, she
Okay,
went
now
out.
going on?
Yeah, went out.
She was
Okay.
talking to
She
us
was
at
talking
first.
and then she went out.
Okay.
Well, go ahead and do it. Mr. Major, come in, please. Okay, we have Laura Smith going to Lancaster Hospital. We have Aaron Baker going to Children's. And we have Joseph Nasding going to Children's.
Is he spiked good or should he go lower? That's fine, I'm here. Yeah.
Purpose today, of course, Red Oak Place is a high priority, and our plan covers everything from a hospital situation to a gas explosion to severe weather, because we want to be ready in the event of any emergency.
Do drills like this actually help in their work?
I think today will tell us we're going to evaluate the program. We've had people located at strategic locations filming, and we're going to identify what we need to do this quarter.
So the next step will be to evaluate the film and maybe
Yes.
get a more detailed.
Yes. And meet with our people. We have people on different teams. We have a team that's in charge of medical services that provide medical services to the students and the staff. We've got another team that's in charge of communication, getting information to parents. We have another team that's in charge of securing the building and evacuating the students. So we will meet different team members from all those groups and evaluate how we can do it.
What did it take to pull something like this off?
Like that and see, of course, we've got a lot of areas that we have targeted. I think we need to go through this again. It's not something that you can pull off in a week or 2 weeks. It takes extensive amount of work.
Now, is this the first time you've done something like this here?
Yes, it is.
And what prompted the district to do something to do this?
We saw a need for it. We have schools throughout the state and throughout the nation that are facing crisis situations. And of course, we don't want to be faced with anything like that in Red Oak. We didn't know people would want to do that.
Just have a seat in the bleachers, remain as quiet as possible. Go right to the bleachers and have a seat, please, and stay as quiet as possible. Good job. Run. Come on this way, stay calm, stay in line, please. Stay as quiet as possible.
All right, can I go in there?
Yeah, I'm.
He's not from the news media. He is here to do an actual taping of our emergency plan.
Am I going inside?
Captain Lindsay sent us there to do this.
Those that are sitting down here, if you'll let them go first and go across, the ladies over there will help you get your lunch. And when you get through eating your lunch, then please come back and sit where you are now so we can make sure everyone is back in place. Any questions? I'll let your teachers dismiss you from the front then as you go over to the lunch.
Jenna Grace would do a good job.
Let's go sit down over here.
Okay, no problem.
Hi. How are you?
Everyone keep going. Baby, get one.
Oh, they are?
All right, fellas, get one, go. There you go. They're all the same, darling. Just get one. There you go. There you go. Chip, milk, snack, pink cherries on the end. Keep going.
It's all the same. What are they?
Keep going, senor. They're all the same. Grab one.
All of these?
Attaboy, attaboy. Keep going, keep going. Atta girl.
Chris. Ava. What's Ario? What is Ario? No comments.
What'd you guys think?
No comments. No comments. Always be our catch of desperate.
What'd y'all think about the disaster today? Was it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I don't know. It's just like.
Captain Lindsay, this is Julia. Please report to Red Oak Intermediate. There has been an explosion. Officer Wells, this is Julia. There has been an explosion at Red Oak Intermediate. Sir, would you please report?
Thank you.
Margaret, we have explosion on the please call your captain and send the district team. We have an explosion. Would you please call your captain and have them respond, please? Thank you. We've had an explosion right up in the Would you please call your transportation and maintenance department? Patsy, Marissa's not here. We've had an explosion right up in the Would you please call the captain and have them respond?
Thank you.
I'll take care of Bobby.
Okay.
Bobby, we've had an explosion right up in the Are we good? Ready with you?
Okay, thanks.
Respond with Mr.
correspond with Mr. Watson.
Will do. Thank you. Remember, you come take care of the phone in my office. If Dr. Wagner can call, I'll take any calls needed.
Okay.
Charlotte, make yourself available to me. You can stay here. And I want you to get on the email and get one ready to send to all the campuses,
Okay.
just in case there's any information that we can relay to them, so that in case their phone rings or something along the way.
Thank you.
If y'all get a chance, can you go set up that front room up there for, just move those tables out of the way and set it up with some chairs for the press and things like that? Just move those tables to the sides or something. Do it. Okay, well, just split up, take 3 of you or 2 of you, go ahead and just stay back here by the back door and just man this in case we need anything. They're doing, I guess they're doing all the calling already from over there, so we'll just need you here just in case the phone rings, just in case we have some problems, but go ahead and station yourself up by the doors, just in case anybody gets through to stay. All the press is going to be going into the boardroom, and all the parents will be back here, and I'll let you know if I need anything. We may need you to do driving for parents or something like that, so just stay available. So don't hesitate to slow her down and really get it right.
Okay.
Okay.
Do that.
Because she does have a tendency to go really fast. So just make sure you're getting everything.
Okay.
It'll take a little longer to get it right.
Understand.
Okay, thank you.
First
They have
call.
confirmed that there's an explosion at the intermediate school. They have decided to evacuate over to the high school gym. There's no more information as far as injuries. The chief is still working on scene and hasn't got a chance to talk to Dr. Wagner. As soon as we know something, I'll try to let everybody know. Folks, we have confirmed that there was an explosion at the intermediate school and they are evacuating to the high school gymnasium. Dr. Wagner just got on the scene. The fire chief has not had a chance to talk to anybody yet. He's still working, and as soon as he talks to her, we'll find out more information. I don't have any information on injuries. If parents come up, just tell them we'll let them know just as soon as we can, but there has been an evacuation. Okay. I do have some additional information. There were 26 injuries. 2 have been for critical and have been for being transported. The emergency crews have just arrived. If any press should come, let me know so I can give them a statement. Okay, don't give them any statement, just let me know so I can go ahead and give them a statement. Yes, 26 injured, 2 transported. Don't have any names, any schools, anything right now. Well, we don't have any information for you right now. All we know is that there has been an explosion.
I've been sent 3 places
This is the place to be. You just stay right here and I will let you know anything information.
They wouldn't even let me go look for him.
I know,
out
I
there or
understand,
anything.
and that's for the safety of everybody involved, including yourself. But if you'll just hang in there, we're getting information coming in. We do know there has been a few injured, and we'll get names, et cetera, for you just as soon as I can.
How long
I don't know. The emergency crews have only arrived about 5 minutes ago. As soon as they confirm who it is, I will let you know. And as soon as they're evacuated, to decide where you can pick them up, I'll let you know that also. Thank you. Dispose of the moment. What I'll probably do when she's here is we'll split up. She'll take one, like a family room, and I'll take the stay on there.
You have to walk back and forth.
When she's here, we'll split duties.
They're transporting to the high school, and no names are available as of yet.
They are transporting.
They are transporting to high school.
Okay.
High school has been notified, correct?
Okay. They will be transporting to the high school gym. I don't have any names of any injured or anything like that. I don't know that everybody is accounted for, but I assume they are if they're going to transport them. So as soon as I know anything as far as names, I'll let you know something. Rhonda, did she say that they'd all been accounted for?
She said they're transporting to high school.
She did not say anything about accounted for. Okay. are in the process of transporting to the high school right now. They haven't said that everybody's been accounted for, so I don't know that for a fact. She has no names yet on injured or transported. So, but they are bringing them to the high school.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Need to send district employees to the hospital. It's Parkland, Children's Parkland.
Curtis Kelly.
Jacob Walker, Silas Adams, Amber Elsley, Bobby Beers, and Nate Weatherly.
Kelly, Walker, Adams, Elser, Beer, and Weatherly.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll need y'all now.
Okay.
Dr. Broughton, I need you to go to Children's Hospital to meet with parents when they arrive. We've got three children going to Children's Hospital. Seela, I know, I did too. Seela Adams, Amber Elser, E-L-S-E-R, I assume. Okay, we have some more information. The buses have arrived at the...
Can we go over there and can we go over there?
As soon as they get them all in, you can go and pick them up. Just follow the normal checkout procedures. Right now, I need to talk to parents if they're here. Curtis Kelly, Jacob Walker, Seela Adams, Amber Elser, Bobby Bear, and Nate Weatherly.
What about Joseph Nansen?
I do not have that name, so it is not on my injured and transported list. If I did not call your name, you can go over there, and as soon as they have everybody accounted for, you can pick them up at the high school.
Thank you.
Laura Smith is going to Lancaster. Children, okay. Okay, I'll pass it on. One student is still unaccounted for. Laura Smith is going to Lancaster, and the other two are going to Children's.
They are being transported.
They are being transported.
Okay.
With Judy.
All we know right now is that we do have some transported and injured. If you are a parent to Curtis Kelly, Jacob Walker,
Mom.
Jacob Walker, if you'll come in here, please, and talk to someone that's going to be here to meet with you. Seela Adams, Amber Elser, Bobby Beer, Natalie Weatherly, Laura Smith, Joseph Nansen, or Aaron Baker. Nansen has already gone over there. If her name is not on here at this point, she has not been transferred, and she should be over at the high school gym. If you would like to go over there, you can.
Well, I brought Lori because we came together and...
Okay. Well, somebody will take her.
You think she's okay?
Okay.
You think she's okay?
This is the names I have right now, and as far as I know, everyone has been, we've only got one child unaccounted for.
Okay.
And I do not have a name on the one that's unaccounted for.
Oh.
You want me to try to do the number for you? Maybe you're just nervous. But what is it?
The cell number is 972-935-3978.
My name is Bobby Laborde, and I'm the district spokesperson for the school district. The only information we have right now is there was an explosion at Red Oak Intermediate School. There were injuries. We've had several students transported to area hospitals. We do not have any further information as far as the cause of the blast. The chief is still working on it, and he has not given out any information about what a possible cause would be. All the other students have been transported to the high school gymnasium where they can be picked up by parents, and they will all be accounted for over there. At the present time, we have one student unaccounted for. Gone.
These are to Waxahachie, and these are to Charlton. Do we have a district official at Charlton?
No, but I will get somebody to go.
Okay.
Injuries are minor injuries that are going to go ahead and transport to the hospital in Waxahachie and Charlton. There's 16 more of them. For We originally had 26 injuries and 2 transported. Now we've got 11 who have been transferred, 12 who have been transported to the hospital, and these 16. And so that should be everybody. And did I tell you that all students have been accounted for? Okay, so everything's taken care of, and all students have been accounted for.
28? No, they were
Originally we had 26 injured and 2 transported. We now have 16 walking injured who are going to Waxahachie and Charlton, and the rest have been transported to the hospitals, and we have given out their information.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Teachers, please excuse this announcement. The district crisis management team needs to report to Red Oak Intermediate. Those members involved need to report to your workstation.
I wrote a note.
District crisis management team needs to report to Red Oak Intermediate. The members involved need to report to your station. Thank you. Kathy, will you go to our West Campus, please? You just call over there and tell her we've had the management crisis team has been called to Red Oak Intermediate.
Okay, good. Y'all on the same one?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we need to make sure all the doors are locked on the outside doors, all around the gym.
Just around the gym?
Yeah, and then we'll assign people to each door to watch it. And that's going to be our main thing, is to make sure all the building is secure. So if y'all want to go ahead and start by checking the back doors and the side doors, make sure they're all locked.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I'll get you back.
All right. All right. We're checking, right now we're just checking the doors, make sure they're all secured around.
Okay.
All the doors are locked. Make sure all the outside doors are locked. And then also here in the gym, at the back of the gym.
Is there a certain way they're gonna sit?
I would say they need to sit by the, teacher.
Right, but I mean,
Starting their heads down.
and they go down.
Yeah, 8 feet past or whatever they're. All right? Feet past, just far in. All the rest of them will be right there. This side, teacher, and we'll get a count of it, just so you can make it all.
You know where you're going to be.
Get here, we already checked the doors, they're all locked. When students start arriving, please go back and make sure all the doors are secure, no one in or out. If someone tries to come in, do not let them come in, the door stays locked. If a student tries to go out the door, same thing. So we're in pretty much a lockdown situation here. The only in and out should be right here. When the buses arrive, I'll try to be out here and one to help me make sure they go in here in the right direction. They're supposed to go into the gym, sit in the bleachers.
So the rest of my team, do we need to cover the doors?
Yes,
and just
right.
Station around the doors?
Right, station around the doors, nobody in, nobody out.
Okay.
And especially be careful over here where you got 2 doors, you got one set right here and then another one over there. So if you may need to have one at each one, or you may just need one there to watch both of them. No one's supposed to be in or out. Okay, are these all present?
Well, I noted I have 2 that were absent and 1 that's missing. I don't know where he is.
Okay, was this student here when you left?
No.
Was not here when you left?
Has not been on any list.
Okay, so this person is...
That person we don't know.
Is on your roll at school?
It's on the roll at school.
But
It's
not
here at school, but we
you
don't know where she
where that
is.
person is?
The other 2 were absent. She has no one absent.
No one has. Thank you. All right.
Is Cameron Warren on any list yet?
We're in the process of checking all the lists. As soon as we get through, we'll let everybody know if there's anyone that's missing that we're in. Okay? Bear with us for a few minutes.
Is she in here?
All right. Do you have any other lists? Are you ready to go? Okay. Do we have yours here? You sure they're not absent? Okay. They were not there when you left.
Yes, ma'am. Is she a student? Okay, and what would you like to know? What teacher is she with? Who is teaching? Homeroom? I'm not sure if it's by homeroom. we're looking at. She's on team 3 as in school team 3. Okay. We have followed the
The teachers page, turn in on the list, and we're going through those right now.
She's on the phone. She's trained, right?
Okay.
We haven't heard anybody.
We have not had Ms. Davis is in charge of her class, and we have, she's not trained. Okay. Audrey. I have Audrey.
Yeah, Audrey is one. Where is one?
Audrey is 4-1.
Yes, she has been in here. She's not creative. That's what I want to go. I'm telling them that this is coming back. Okay.
Just the recount. Okay, Mary says, do y'all have a recount?
How many parents are involved?
I've got, we had 24 sign up. So well, I thought it was a pretty good number actually.
For how many students?
There's 360, but that's what I was telling them. We got, when I sent out the papers for actors, I expected 30 or 40 to actually make it home and make it back.
Right.
184. And I was like, wow, this is great. So they did a good job. The kids did a real good job of getting it all back in, and there was 24 that committed that they would be here as far as parents to help us. So that's what we're trying to do. And since you were here the other day, you kind of heard everything. But the ones that weren't here the other day, we're going to try to split you up into doing different parent things. You know, if you're the hysterical parent, you can be the hysterical parent. If you're more of a calm person that would listen, and you know, we want you just to stay pretty much in what you would do. The point we're trying to make, and we want to do, is make sure our employees know what to do in a crisis situation, but we also want to use this, the tape that we're making and everything, to train parents on how important it is to follow and listen, like we tell our kids to do. For instance, we'll have a situation here where one of the parents that works at the junior high will do the exact wrong thing. She's going to see smoke, hear her child's in there, and run into that smoke. Then we're going to have to care for her. So a child will lay here and be not cared for. You know, so we want to make some points of how important it is to follow and listen for all of us, and how much that we've been putting into this, and we really want everybody to be safe. So what we'll do today, I'll have some of you in the plan. What we really try to do is keep people from coming to the site, because when they come to the site, of course, they get in the way of the police, fire department, people that are trying to take care of your kids. And we know that that's going to be the thing that most people are going to want to do, is to rush right in here and see their children. If the plan goes as it should, when the evacuation is called for and the children are put onto the buses and moved over, they'll go to the evacuation center at the high school. They'll be accounted for, reaccounted for, and all of that information. So by the time most of you would be getting your phone call from the Team 1 members, that their job is specifically to call parents, let them know what's going on, get them to the right location. By the time you got your call, in most cases, before you would even get here, the kids would be gone. But it's theatrical smoke. It's you breathe it just like air. It's not any problem. The kids this morning, that's what I'm going to do in just a second, is go and talk to them and make sure that if they have any problems, if they're even scared of it, that they're standing outside the door.
What about a child that has asthma? Will it
Yeah,
affect them at all?
the fire chief said it will not at all, but what we're doing is I'm asking that question to them, and they're the ones closest to the door. They will not
mine
be.
has severe asthma.
Yeah, they'll be right at the back door, so they're actually going to be able to get out as soon as we say, boom, the explosion occurred. They're going to go out the door. The big thing for the teachers is getting those kids and accounting for them, because they're not going to be in a classroom when it happens. So that's the kind of the test that goes along with that portion of it. But none of those kids, you know, we're going to go in and he's going to walk them in. Chief Pickard's going to walk them in and say, this is it. Okay, holding their hand. Does this bother you? If it even bothers you visually, then they're not going to be in there.
This is pretty cool.
Go back away. Back away.
This is scary. Woo! That hairspray. Laura. Hairspray.
Okay, so you just got minor wounds. Okay. Hey.
Mandy is special. I failed. Just like me. That's pretty. That's pretty confusing. Are you filming?
This is one of my favorite things to do.
Justin,
Let me
he
get in
gets
this
one
one.
of these. You're not supposed to ask. She gets. Dang it. What is that? What is that? Oh.
What does it say it is?
I get some blood.
Scab.
Scab. I get some scab.
Scab. I get some scab. That's funny.
Oh. Cool. You don't want that shirt, do you?
I'm not gonna mess your shirt up.
I want a big old scab on my
Does
face.
that look like a scrape?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a scrape.
Does it look minor? Can you give me a syrup?
That's spirit gum. It's glue.
What is that bone wax?
Bone wax is something that I can use to make cuts out of. I can make body tissue. Now, is it okay if I get some of this on your shirt? It should wash off. Okay. What I'm going to do is your shirt's going to be like the dividing point. Okay?
Can I have a photo?
It's a we had him change that.
Is this supposed to be burned?
My mom got it when she goes Asian.
Oh, really? Ew.
So she goes, no, look. She goes, they said I do. Oh, look, I get to see. We can see. Oh, my. You can tell my arm is like really sick. See closer. Get closer. Get closer. Oh, man.
That's supposed to maybe run you.
Oh my God! Look at Kristen. No, over there. Look. Like that's glue.
Yep, that's glue.
Told you.
I pulled too much of your skin off and put it back down.
What else do we have in here? Oh, what's this? Alcohol. That one looks like it's really coming out.
That was already there.
Yeah.
Turn your head again. The other way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looks like
look better if it went on his hair.
That looks real. It does.
That's all right.
Just putting on war paint.
Looking, close your eyes. Hairspray.
It's gonna make your eyebrows skin. I get to stay in the building.
Oh, that's
These injuries here are burns, and there are also some bruising around the burns that will be due to the explosion that's going to happen in here. Could be from flying debris or just a flash fire. How these differ from there? That looks more of the first-degree burn injuries right there. So maybe she didn't catch as much of the fire as the other folks did. I hadn't talked to you yet. Okay. You're Coach. Y'all are all the way in the door, laid out, unconscious. You don't move. That's y'all's job. Okay. I'll talk to you.
What do you do?
Okay. I want you back here, like you were just coming out of the bathroom. Okay, but you're laying right up here against this wall until somebody comes and gets you out. You're out until somebody gets you out.
What am I supposed to do? I want to be by the door with her.
Okay.
I have to go to the door.
You're by the door. I want you to, both of y'all, to count to 75, laying up on this side, and then I want you to get up and get out. Okay? You're just kind of wandering between these buildings out here until somebody takes care of it. Okay? Get you out. Now you can, if they can get you up, you can walk with them, but they have to get you up and move you out.
Alright, so
You're, and you can't hear. They start talking, you go. All right, or say, I can't hear. Okay? Because you don't hear them. If they say, what does it hurt? I can't hear. You're upset about that. Right? You were up closest to the button.
I don't see it funny.
You're gonna be dead.
You're gonna trip on my shirt.
So everybody here on this table knows where they're at.
So me, Carter.
Inside, you're the only two all the way in the door, and then the other young man is right outside the door. Back to back, laid up. Okay?
Oh, it's dripping on my nose and
Yeah, I
itches.
want it to. Oh, it's not going to itch for long.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, now.
Yeah, you just have to.
Shut up.
Give me some flavor in case it goes in your mouth.
Hopefully it doesn't go in your mouth.
Wait, what happens if somebody actually...
What's that?
I know where we are.
I'm not done.
Okay, you're dead.
She's like, what's going on? I can't help it.
Brag with your... Show off your wounds, Joseph.
Really? It's so like that.
And I proved.
Which doesn't